Hi, hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to enable YouTube thumbnail A/B testing, and we will be focusing here in YouTube Studio. So suppose that I'm going to upload a video about free or let's just say Nitro basic tutorial. And as you can see under thumbnail, there is this new feature in YouTube Studio, which is test and compare. But unfortunately, if I tap this one, I need to have this one-time verification needed. So in order for you to enable this, you must know what is this one-time verification needed. You can go to settings, and in order for you to get access to this advanced feature, because this one belongs to advanced feature, what you're going to do is to, fill in or submit the requirement here, such as a valid or video verification, valid ID, channel history, and so on. So you need to submit any of this in order for you to have access to this advanced feature. So as you can see, I cannot proceed with the test and compare if, or I cannot enable this if I don't have the access to this advanced feature. However, to know more about this test and compare thumbnails, you can go to YouTube Help and you will see this eligibility requirements. So you need to follow whatever is in here. For example, if you want to see more information about how to have access to YouTube tools and features, you must be eligible in order for you to have access to this. But however, I have this one channel that I'm fully verified. I have submitted one of the requirements and I have the access to this advanced feature. And if I go to YouTube Studio, specifically under YouTube thumbnail, I will see the option test and compare. And as you can see, what I'm going to do is just upload at least a few thumbnails and then run a test, wait for 2 weeks to see the winning thumbnail. Okay, so I'm going to show you what it looks like. So let me log into my other account. As you can see, I have here 3 thumbnails and I'll just wait for 2 weeks to see the winning thumbnail. Basically, that's how you enable YouTube thumbnail A/B testing. So I do really hope that this video helped you. If it does, then please do like and subscribe. And if you want to create or if you want us to do some tutorials, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.